Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Today we'll be taking a look at how to play that classic Beatles song with a little help from my friends, and how to play it on a diatonic harmonica. Here's what with a little help from my friends looks like when it's written down in the key of C, and here is how it sounds. Let's take a close look at phrase 1. Blow into 5. Breathe in through 5. Blow into 6 twice. Breathe in through 5. Blow into 5. Breathe in through 4. Blow into 5. And breathe in through 5 twice. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 2, breathe in through 5 twice. Blow into 5. Breathe in through 4 3 times. Blow into 4. Breathe in through 4. And blow into 5. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now phrase 3 is exactly the same as phrase 1. And phrase 4 is exactly the same as phrase 2. So let's move on to phrase 5. Blow into 6. Blow into 4. Blow into 5. Breathe in through 4. And blow into 4 8 times. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Phrase 6 is exactly the same as phrase 4. So let's move on to phrase 7. Blow into 6. Breathe into 7. Blow into 7 3 times. Breathe in through 7. And breathe into 6. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 8, blow into 5 3 times. Breathe in through 4. Blow into 5. Breathe in through 4. And blow into 4. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. The phrase 9 is exactly the same as phrase 7. And phrase 10 is exactly the same as phrase 8. So let's try putting all the phrases together. And there you have it. And remember, if you're the kind of person who prefers learning the harmonica using tabs, then check out my tabs page. There's a link in the description below. And also, if you'd like to show your support for this channel, then please follow the link below and buy me a coffee. And until next time, stay tuned.